I'm Shunyang Ning. I'm from China, and I'm a master graduate from EIT Manufacturing Master School in the track of Zero Defect Manufacturing for Circular Economy. And my entry university is Aalto University in Finland, and exit university is UCD in Ireland. Personally, I'm a big fan of different cultures and languages, so I really found this being able to study in two different countries at two different universities really appealing to me. And also, when I checked the curriculum provided by EIT Manufacturing Master School, they provide multidisciplinary tracks, and also it is majored in manufacturing but has innovation and entrepreneurship as a minor. I've always wanted to have my own business, so I really like this combination of technical engineering with the mindset of entrepreneurship and business ideas. I really like summer school. I would say it's one of the highlights of the whole program because I really like the parts with different companies. They just came to us and make different presentations and give us lectures in their own styles and ways. I really like the part where we learned design thinking, and we had hands-on sessions and projects. Also, for example, I did the project with Comal. They gave us the challenge, and we applied what we have learned before, like in theories, but into applications to solve the real challenge that they are facing, as also they are the leading company in this industry. I really like that part. And also during this teamwork and the projects with my fellow students, I think it's also a chance for us to build up some friendships, and that even makes the summer school more enjoyable in both summer and school. Since it's a double degree program in manufacturing but with a minor in entrepreneurship and innovation, I have gained technical skills such as critical thinking, analytics skills, design and problem-solving skills from the curriculum in engineering area, but also in this minor in innovation entrepreneurship, I have gained a lot of softer skills such as pitching and presentation, and also interpersonal skills such as communication and teamwork. And I think it's really helpful, and I believe in the future the people with this kind of multidisciplinary talents are in great need in the future. I did my master thesis with the consulting and project managing engineering company based in Dublin, and my thesis was about supply chain modeling and simulation for hemp fiber production in Ireland. And I really liked that topic because it was challenging enough. I didn't know much about hemp, and I didn't know much about the whole supply chain modeling and simulation, but I really found that challenging part interesting because we got to know what are the companies in the real world trying to do. And also with the help of the companies, we got to have more hands-on sessions. I talked to the farmers, and I really think it's a good chance for me to learn and to improve. And I think that's what I enjoy most. I think it really helps in a way that I got to know knowledge from different areas, such as technical skills such as analysis, and a little bit coding and machine design, and also soft skills such as entrepreneurship mindset and design thinking. I think they're both helpful because now I want to have my own business. I think also experiences there help me to have more interest in this area. And also since I did simulation, and now I know what I'm more interested in. I think I want to show my gratitude. I'm grateful for what I've been provided by EIT Manufacturing community. I'm grateful for the chance to meet my friends and all those staffs and their contribution, and I'm grateful for their attention and care that they showed for us in the past 2 years. And also I'm grateful for myself that I did make this decision to join this community and pass and make this through in the end. But also, since it's a milestone, there's more to come.